Ever wondered how hard Next.js is or how powerful it can be? Well, you are in for a treat because today we are diving into a Next.js course walkthrough to unreveal the mysterious. So, hi all, it's Vlad from Dev Happens. This is the kick-off for my Next.js course walkthrough where I'll be learning and documenting every chapter of the new Next.js course. Each chapter will have its own dedicated video in the playlist here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's start from the course landing page. Also, let's put some music on. So we are starting here on the Next.js.org/learn landing page. Start building with Next.js. Go from beginner to expert by learning the foundations of Next.js and building a fully functional demo website that uses all the latest features. 16 chapters that take you from React to Next.js. That's great. How does the course work? By building a full web application step by step. So we see a nice picture of the template. Set up your local environment and initializing the Acme Next.js project template. Not sure if I pronounce this template's name correctly, but never mind. Use pre-styled components as part of each chapter that leverage Next.js conventions and patterns. Hook up a real application logic and data to bring a fully fledged demo website to life. At the end, you will have a website that's ready to ship and the knowledge to build and deploy your own. That's what I need. I need a powerful tool for building my own web platforms. Okay, what do we have? Some widgets. Your progress will be synced as you complete chapters. Go to your own phase and pick up where you left off, okay? Test your knowledge during each chapter. Take quick quizzes to see what you have learned. Okay, I like quizzes, especially when I learn something, just to check if I have any gaps in my knowledge or understanding. Okay, what will I learn? Here is everything that's covered in the course. So we have 16. Oh, actually it says 19 here. 18, sorry. Chapters. That's weird. Okay, never mind. Let's start learning. This first introduction video won't be that long because I was going just to review the first landing page and the second this introduction chapter. So we will continue after this in the next video. So okay, introduction chapter, learn Next.js. Welcome to the Next.js app router course. In this free interactive course, we will learn the main features of Next.js by building a full stack web application. Okay, so we again have a nice image of the template we are going to use in this course, as I understand. What we will be building? For this course, we will be building a simplified version of the financial dashboard that has a public homepage, a login page, dashboard pages that are protected by authentication, the ability for users to add, edit, and delete invoices. Okay, so this is the CRUD application. As we all understood, the dashboard will also have an accompanying database, which you will set up in a later chapter. Okay, that's good. So we will have some dummy data to use. That's good. By the end of the course, you will have the essential skills needed to start building full-stack Next.js applications. Okay, quick overview. Here is an overview of features you will learn about in this course. Styling, optimizations, routing, data fetching, search and pagination, mutating data, error handling, form validation and accessibility, authentication, metadata. Some prerequisite knowledge. This course assumes you have a basic understanding of React and JavaScript. Yes, I do. If you're new to React, recommend going through our React Foundations course. This course is really nice if you're interested in closing some gaps in understanding React Foundations. This is the perfect course. First, to learn the fundamentals of React, such as components, props, state, and hooks, and newer features like server components and suspense. System requirements, Node.js, 18 hours later, I do have it installed on my machine. Operating system, I use Windows in this case. GitHub account, I do have one. Vercel account, I do have Vercel account as well. Okay, so let's continue in the next video. This will be a chapter named Getting Started. Learn how to create a Next.js application and run your local development server. See you in the next video.